Hello, welcome back. Let me explain today how to use structured data query in Sparrow. Let's use this receipt as example, and you can access Sparrow online instance as well on sparrow.katanaml.io, and you can run it from your own browser directly with your own documents. Okay, so this is the sample document, and let me explain how you could define structured query to extract not all data, but specific data that you want from the document. Okay, so this example which says that you can use JSON schema in similar format like that to fetch data. So in this video, I'll elaborate based on this, and I'll show how you can fetch in a single query form data and table data, like fetch array data together with specific element data in the same query. Okay, so first, let's say that we want to extract field data, so we use those curly brackets and specify the field name. So that will be total, and let's first define type string for that field, and let's fetch one more field, sold items, and for this field, let's use type int, because it's number 4. And total is with the $sign, so if you want to fetch entire value, numeric value and $sign, we should use type string. Okay, and then we can combine this with array of items. So I specify any name, could be like items or received items, whatever. Let's keep it simple. Let's leave items, and then use square brackets to specify that items will be array, and we need to specify what we want to fetch within this array. So we'll fetch item name. This will be of type string, and we'll fetch also item price. So specify that I want to fetch item price, and let's also use type string. So this is the query, it's complete, and now let's hit submit and run it. While it runs, let's explain it a bit more. So let's repeat it. So total, we're fetching sold items. This is the field names, and then we can also fetch array. We need to specify name of array, like items in this case, and then we specify square brackets, and inside square brackets we provide JSON schema of the fields that we want to populate this array. So I'm populating it with item name of type string and item price of type string. So once the data is fetched, the result array is validated against this query to make sure that the backend vision LLM model returns the structure that we expect, and the structure is valid against the query that was used to fetch the data. So we got back the result, and we can see that we got total $13.16, 4 sold items, and then 4 items in array are being listed with prices correct. And because sold items was specified as integer, we got it back as integer, not as a string. Okay, now we can play, and we can say that let's use for the total, let's use int type. Let's see what will happen. So in this case, instruction will be passed to the vision backend to fetch this kind of data, but it will instruct, Sparrow will instruct Vision LLM that it expects for the total field to be assigned integer value, now not string. and we can see that total is 13.16, so it's not integer, and let's see what will happen. Probably it should auto-convert this float and round it to the decimal, to the main value, and it should drop this float number. And this is what it happens. So we got total 13 now. It's an integer. It's a full number. And now, if you want to auto-convert it to actual value as it is on the receipt with cents, so instead of using int, we'll use float, and let's do the same for the array data, for the item prices. So here instead of string, let's use float as well. And now we should get the data exactly as it is on the receipt, and for the price values we'll get float numbers automatically, and then this would save us, and from additional step of auto conversion and result parsing from string to float, because we'll get this number out of the box from the Vision LLM backend through Sparrow. And yeah, this is what happened. For the total, we got 13.16 for sold items, and then price 4.99, 1.99, 2.19, 3.99. So this is what is expected. And yeah, so the point of this video was in a simple example, show you how you could use structured data query with Sparrow and fetch subset of data that you're interested in from the document. And it's important to say that when you fetch a subset of data, then the response will come much faster, because Vision LLM backend needs to produce less tokens. And since you're producing less tokens, so the job completes faster than in that case when you would fetch just all data from the document. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you find it useful. See you next time, and if you're interested in structured data extraction task in this use case, feel free to contact me by email or on social media. And if you need to have consultation work or any other kind of request related to the structured data extraction, just contact me and I'll be happy to work with you. So thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Bye.